नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटियों। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी, प्रोग्राम यूनिवर्सिटी नेम ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी, डिपार्टमेंट नेम टीचिंग एजुकेशन एंड मैथोलॉजी, प्रोग्राम नेम BA/BSc B.Ed ZBC PCM second semester, course name Understanding Education and its Perspective, session name Relevance Thought of Western Philosopher John Dewey. Today I am delivering my lecture Western Philosopher and Their Thoughts and Him Thoughts of Education, Biography of John Dewey, Aims of Education overall in discussing in this video. John Dewey 1859 to 1952 was an American American psychologist, philosopher, thinker, social critic and political activist. He was born in Bristol, 20th October 1859. Dewey graduates from the University of Vermont in 1879 and science his PhD from Johns Hopkins University in 1884. He related his causes at the University Michigan of teaching the form of 1884. Dewey ignored American social issues. He was outspoken domestic and instrumental politics and numbers social movements. Among the many concepts that Dewey's support were women's education, educated brides. Dewey died in New York City in 1 June 1952. Publications: My Pedagogy Creed is most publication of John Dewey. Aims of education according John Dewey. According to Dewey, the aim of education is the development of child's power and abilities. The educator should guide the child according to the abilities and powers that he observes in it. The teacher to guide the educated in a partition diversion. The aim of education is to create an atmosphere in which the child gets an opportunity to be active in a contribute to the social awakening of the human life. Man is social being who must develop within the confines of society. Outside within he cannot develop at all. For this reason, education must aim at creating social efficiency and skill of the learner. Pragmatic education aims at instilling democratic values and ideas in the individual, at creating a democratic society in within there no distinction between one individual and another. An individual is completely independent and writing to cooperate with others. A society can be created only where there is no fundamental difference between the individual and the collective interest. Morality can be developed through attitude, participation, because such participation in the activities of the school trains the child in shouldering responsibilities. This develops the individuals and grants him social skills. Equality of opportunity in the school helps to develop boys and girls all to their own individual traits and inclinations. Pragmatic education is basically practical in as much as it aims at preparing the individual for further life in such a manner that they can fulfill his requirements and achieve contentments. Dewey was critical of the contemporary modes of education. They find the divine the child away from democratic life by giving advantage to a small section of society. Dewey's influence of modern education impact on the aims of education. Impact on the aim of the education. One of the important aim of education is the teaching of democratic values. John David Dewey followed the democraticness in the class, and every time teachers' behavior follow to democraticness. Dewey insisted on developing social qualities in the child. Social qualities are very important according John Dewey's thought. Impact on educational methods. Dewey suggested that education should be based on the child's own experience, and also that the method of teaching should weigh according to the interest and inclinations of each individual learner. Impact on curriculum. The subject of curriculum to the introduction of manual skill subjects into modern curricula. Secure importance is now being attained to various kinds of games, objects, etc. Impact of discipline. The subject of discipline now the education and is interested with much of the work in the school. This is discipline according to John Dewey. Principles of curriculum formation. In general, the child shows four major interests: the desire to talk to and exchange ideas, discovery, creation, and artistic expression. What are the four major areas? Curriculum formation according to John Dewey. John Dewey suggested all educationists they are knock down the four areas and include their curriculums formation in four areas: ideas, discovery, creation, and artistic expression. Curriculum to be flexible and not predetermined and rigid. The curriculum should include only those subjects which can be related to the child's pattern of life at that particular stage. This proximity to life can help in creating a distinctive unity in the knowledge imparted to him, and thereby some harmony can be created in the teaching of history, geography, mathematics, and language. Dewey was very critical of the contemporary method of dividing knowledge into separate compartments because he felt that such fragmentation of knowledge was unnatural. Fragmentation of knowledge was unnatural as far as possible. The various subjects in the curriculum should be harmonized. Curriculum according John Dewey believed to the educational process has two aspects: psychological and social. Psychological. The curriculum and the method of education should be determined by the child's interest and abilities. The child should be educated according to his interest and inclination. Education should be attempted only after discovering the interest of the child, and these should be used as the basis for determining the curricula for the various stages of education. Social. All education has its bringings in the individual's participation in the social consciousness of the race. Hence, it's a necessary to create an atmosphere in the school which all allows the child to take an active part in the social awakening of his group. The improves his conduct and develops his presently and abilities. So John Dewey focus on overall abilities of learners, and Dewey's influence of modern education discussing in this video. biography, curriculum, aims of education, and Dewey's influence of modern education. Thank you.